Alright, my friends, so let's go ahead and start immediately with the first topic, which is how does the web works. In order for us to understand this thing right here, we have to go ahead and open some slides and understand some stuff. So the first slide is that here I'm gonna ask you for two questions. Okay, the first one will be, what does a website mean? And what does a server mean? These are very important two concepts that you have to know before you keep going. So a website, it's a place that you can share info and do things. Okay, for example, if you are YouTube is a website. For example, Google is a website, or you have we have a lot Facebook, it's a website. So we are using this website either to get information, to play some stuff, to listen to music. All these stuff are this website gonna give us a functionality that we have to do. All right, for example, we have Wikipedia. It's a website that allows us to get a lot of information about famous stuff. So this is a website. It's a place that you can share info or do something, right? What does a server mean? A server, it's a place where you can host your website on to make it accessible for someone else. Now let's say, for example, I have built a website for, let's say, I don't know, for listening to music. Okay, when I build the website, then I will build it on my computer, on my laptop, let's say. Then the one who has access to my website will be only me, myself, right? But let's say if I want to share it with my friends, my family, and so on. At that point in time, what I need to do, I want to put my website that I have built on my laptop, I have to put it on a server, and the server will make it accessible for anyone who wanna see it or he wanna visit. Okay, now let's understand how does this really happen. In order for us to understand how server give our users the ability to access our website, let's open this slide right here. So this is a server. Okay, this is here at the top of server, and it's a place where we can put a lot of websites. Okay, now what does the server will do? It's gonna say, okay, here is the website 1, and it has this number right here. This is the website 2, and it has this number right here. And here is the website 3, and it has this number right here. Okay, so the website the server will organize all the websites that been stored inside it in a very organized way, and so it's gonna make it easy for it and for us to access all these websites. So in this video we have learned what does a website mean, and also what does a server mean, and also we have told you that in order for the job of a server, it is just gonna make a website that you are gonna build accessible for anyone else. So hopefully that makes sense. In the next video we are gonna show you how we can access these websites or from our server. So see you in the next one.